Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've all had a great week and you had a great Easter weekend and Anzac Day. I'm filming this on a Sunday night, which is very strange for me. Normally I film in the daytime on Saturday, but I wanted to get this video out for you guys, and this is a very exciting video because, as you can see from the thumbnail and the title, this is my 50,000 subscriber giveaway. Woo! I was meant to upload this like 2 or 3 weeks ago, but things just got on top of me. I had other content, and also I did a giveaway with Shockwave giveaways. But anyway, this is a huge international giveaway, so if you are from any country you can enter, because most of my followers are from different parts of the world, so of course I had to make this giveaway international, so you guys can enter. So this giveaway is open for 2 weeks, so that will give you guys hopefully enough time to watch this video and enter, and the giveaway will be closed on the 13th of May at 5 PM New Zealand time, and I will announce it on my Instagram stories. So I'll probably just announce it on the 14th of May, so a day later. So yes, anyway, before I show you guys all the amazing products that are in this giveaway, I can't wait to show you guys. Okay, the rules. And you have to follow all of these rules, and I will be checking, because if you don't follow all the rules, then I will just choose another winner. So number 1 is, of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the little notification bell so you can see my videos in your subscription feed. Number 2 is follow me on Instagram. So my username is just Alyshia Jones with 2 S's, and I do upload to Instagram like daily, if not every second day, and I'm always doing Instagram stories and stuff. So, and rule number 3 is comment down below, let me know your Instagram username, and let me know what your favorite video of mine has been, what kind of content that you guys like to see, because that will help me to know what to film for you guys and kind of see like what most of you guys want to see more of. And just so you guys know, I will have this giveaway running on Instagram at the same time, so if you find the photo with all the lovely goodies that's the same as the thumbnail, if you find that photo you can enter on there as well, so you can get even more chances of winning if you enter on YouTube and on Instagram. Anyway, I'm going to go through these products. So there is a lot of stuff. So we have a mask on face mask, so this is a full-on sheet mask, great for pamper nights. Then we've got some Schwarzkopf Live Color Spray. So we have the color Candy Pink and Silver Splash. That looks so cool if you have blonde hair. Then we have the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost in Siberian Gold, which is so exciting. Next we have the Thin Lizzy Flawless Complexion Liquid Foundation in the shade Minx. If this doesn't suit you, you can give it to your friends and family. This is a full coverage foundation and I love it. We have the NYX Cosmetics 3-piece set of the Intense Butter Glosses, and you've got the shades Toasted Marshmallow, Chocolate Crepe and Cookie Butter. They look like beautiful shades in there that suit a lot of skin tones. We have the Taylor Skincare Oil Cleanse Morning and Night Cleanser and Makeup Remover. I absolutely love Taylor Skincare. Cruelty free and 100% natural and eco-conscious. We have the Avon Skin So Soft Supreme Nourishment Triple Phase Body Oil. Got some more Mask On Face of Beauty face masks. There's Olivia Salney brush, I think that's how you say it. It comes in this box like this, and it's one of those fancy brushes. Look how fancy the handle looks. So it's so soft, it's such a nice brush, and that's what you can put your foundation on with. Then we have some Manicare disposable mascara brushes. So this is perfect if you're a makeup artist. You can use this for your mascaras on your clients. Okay, we have the L'Oreal True Match Minerals Mattifying Powder. Sorry if you guys can't see that properly. We have this little keychain, a pink pom-pom, which I love. I am obsessed with key rings and I have them everywhere. Then we have the OXX Cosmetics Highlighting Kit. So you've got 3 shades in there. You've got like 2 highlighters and 1 under eye like setting powder. Then we have the NYX Cosmetics Cosmic Metals Shadow Palette. And yeah, this has got a lot of beautiful shades in there, as you can see. Then we have the Rimmel London Magnify Eyes Wow Edition Eye Contouring Palette. Look how cool that is. I love that packaging. Then we have the NYX Cosmetics Contour Initiative Eye and Face Sculpting Palette. So you've got some eyeshadows and highlighters and a blush there. So the next thing is something super exciting. I wanted to keep this for myself, but I thought, no, you guys can have it. So this is the Makeup Revolution highlighting palette, and this was in collaboration with Soph. I don't really know who that is. But yeah, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, we have the Olay Total Effects 7-in-1 Touch of Foundation BB Cream, and it's suitable for all skin types, and it's SPF 15. We love some SPF products. This is probably the most expensive product in here. I got sent Anastasia like 2 weeks ago and I was so amped, but I already have this in my collection. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in light to medium. Here are the colours. Next is the Neutrogena Visibly Clear Spot Proofing Purifying Toner. So this works with your skin to help clear spots and defend against new breakouts. And I love Neutrogena. I always used to use this back in the day when I was younger. We have the Welleda Skin Food Body Butter. So this is intensive skin nourishment for dry and very dry skin. Precious organic ingredients, and it is certified natural skincare. So awesome for you natural lovers. We also have some Kylie Cosmetics. So we've got the Kylie Matte Liquid Lipstick and Lip Liner in the shade Mary Jo K. So that will look so cool on you guys. And we also have the Kylie Cosmetics Matte Liquid Lipstick and Lip Liner in the shade Exposed. So yay, exciting. Then we have the Eco Coco Body Scrub, and this is Coconut Vanilla Scent. Oh my gosh, I so wanted to keep this for myself. Next we have the Redken All Soft Argan Oil, and this is a multi-care oil for dry and brittle hair. So if you're like me and you get it dyed a lot, or you just have dry hair, then this will be good for you. Then we have the Leetan Uber Glow, and this is for olive skin tones, and this has a violet base, and this is medium. So this will be good for you guys who are just starting to tan, or you don't want to look too obvious in winter. We have the Formula 1006 Butter Up Moisturizing Body Stick, and this is plum and cocoa butter. You twist it and look, it's like a big moisturizing body stick. Like, I've never seen that before. Next we have some Michael Todd skincare. Oh my gosh, I remember when all the YouTubers were obsessed with Michael Todd back in the day. So we've got the Hyaluronic Complex Hydrating Serum, and this is for all skin types except oily. We've got the Colourco Super Soft Touch Pressed Powder, and it comes in with a little sponge at the back, so that's perfect for setting foundation. We have NYX Cosmetics 3 Steps to Sculpt Face Sculpting Palette, so you've got some nice shades in there. Then we've got some Michael Todd like samples. So we've got Cleanse and Tone Makeup Remover and Hydration Boost Facial Serum. And then we've got Creamy Body Wash and Citrus Cream Moisturizer. And by the way, Michael Todd is all organic. Like mostly organic, so that is pretty cool. The Elizabeth Arden 8-Hour Cream Skin Protectant. So you can use this on all parts of your body, your face, your hands, on your cuticles, like it just does everything. Then we have the Thin Lizzy Quick Fix Eyeliner and Corrector Pen. This has an amazing eyeliner on one side and a corrector side, so you can like fix up your winged liner and make it more sharp and crisp. And this is the eyeliner that I use in all my creative looks, and it is amazing. There is a Chi Chi Cosmetics Lip Lights Lip Lacquer. So this is like a glossy iridescent strobing liquid lip colour enriched with vitamin E. So it's a nice pearly pink shade. Then we have the Garnier Skin Active Botanical Day Cream, and this has rose water, and this hydrates and soothes. There's the LA Girl Luminous Glow Skin Illuminator. Oh my god, that's going to look so amazing mixed in with your foundation. Then we have the Rimmel London Insta Fix and Matte Translucent Powder. I absolutely love Rimmel, and their translucent powder is one of my favourites. We've got the Thin Lizzy Flawless Complexion Concealer Cream, and this is in the shade Minx. Super exciting. I love Thin Lizzy. And I'm sure the concealers are going to be bomb. There's the Michael Todd Jojoba Charcoal Facial Scrub. So this removes dead skin, impurities and toxins, and this is suitable for all skin types. We've got another foundation. So this is a Revlon Photo Ready Candid Natural Finish Anti-Pollution Foundation. So this is brand new and this just got released, and I hear that it is a nice like light coverage. And then we have the Revlon Color Stay Skinny Liquid Liner, and this is in the shade 402. So it is a silver color. We have the NYX Cosmetics Waterproof Mascara Top Coat. So if you are worried about your mascara running, or if your favorite mascaras aren't waterproof, you can put this on top and make it waterproof. Revolutionary product right here. We have some more goodies from Thin Lizzy. I absolutely love these. You can make them sheer with one layer or put on 2 layers to make them full coverage on your lips. So these are the new Velvet Lip Creams, and they've got a precision tip that you can click, and then the product comes out of the little foam tip. So we've got these 3 shades here. We've also got the NYX Cosmetics Big and Loud Lash Primer. At the back it says primes and conditions lashes for optimal mascara effects of length and volume. So it must help your mascara to like stick to your lashes much better and make them more voluminous. Then we have the NYX Cosmetics Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer. So this is for anti-dull skin and colour balance. So it's got purple in it, so it just helps to even out your skin tone. We've got some more Michael Todd. So we've got Honey and Oat Gentle Daily Cleanser. This used to be my absolute favourite cleanser like 5-6 years ago. We've got the NYX Cosmetics Holographic Halo Cream Eyeliner, and this is in a cool shade. This is in Crystal Vault. That looks stunning. Look at that packaging too, I love it. So this is the NYX Cosmetics Bright Idea Illuminating Stick. I think this is like a nice pink shade. And then we have the NYX Strobe of Genius Holographic Stick. So this is for your highlighter. You can put this under powder or alone. We've got another Michael Todd tester. So we've got the Charcoal Detox Deep Pore Gel Cleanser. And that's a cute little size. It might be perfect for travel. We have the NYX Cosmetics Liquid Suede Metallic Matte. And this is in the shade Modern Maven. So it is a really dark red. This will look so nice in winter coming up. Then we have the NYX Cosmetics Simply Nude Lip Cream in Honey. So this is a nice nude shade. I love my nude colours. Then we have another NYX Simply Pink Lip Cream. Did you hear my dog yelp? My mum just stood on its foot accidentally. Then we've got the NYX Simply Pink Lip Cream in the shade First Base. So that's a nice light pink colour. And then we have a new product from Rimmel. So this is their Provocalips. So it's 16 hours kiss proof lip colour. So step 1 is the intense colour, and then step 2 is the lock and shine. So it makes it shiny. We have another NYX Simply Vamp Lip Cream, and this is in the shade Enamored. It's a dark purple, yet again perfect for winter. And we have a Maybelline Master Prime Hydrating Primer. I absolutely love Maybelline products, so their primers are amazing. We've also got another Revlon Photo Ready Candid Foundation, and this is in the shade 200. The other one was in the shade 120. Then we have the Revlon Photo Ready Galaxy Dreams Holographic Highlighting Palette. So this is perfect for festivals because they are holographic. I have swatched this once, but yeah, these are really nice. Gives that galaxy looking glow. Then we have the NYX Cosmetics Glam Liner. It's a pink shade and it is waterproof. Then we have, this is exciting, we have a little minis kit. This is the OPI Peru collection, which you can't buy anymore. And these shades are so stunning. You've got some pinks and some purples and like a greyish kind of colour. I absolutely love these colours. So you get that whole set. We have the NYX Cosmetics Duochromatic Shimmer Lip Gloss. So that is perfect for festivals as well. It's a nice purple colour. And then we have the NYX Cosmetics Away We Glow Liquid Highlighter. This is in the shade State of Flux. So that is so cool. I love that shade. And then we've got some Fernz testers, Fernz Skincare. So they are a natural New Zealand skincare line. So this is soothing toners And then you also get some soothing creams day and night for skin calming. We have the NYX Cosmetics Shimmer Down Lip Veil in the shade What the Punk, and oh my god, that is such a cool shade. You probably won't be able to see it properly in the camera, but it's like purple and pink and green. It looks so nice. We've got the Letan Coconut Lotion. So this is SPF 50 sunscreen. I love Letan, but I'm used to like my fake tan smelling like coconut, so I thought I'd give you the coconut one. We have the NYX Cosmetics Holographic Halo Finishing Powder, and this is in the shade Mermazing. So it's like a holographic purpley colour, and look at that packaging. I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. We have the NYX Cosmetics Glazed and Confused eyeshadow. Oh, it's like an eye gloss that was like new on trend. This is in the shade Toxic. Dark green. I've never really seen anything like that. May look cool on you guys with like green hazel eyes. And then we have some lashes. So we've got some from Ardell. These are nice natural ones. And then we've got some from Cara, and these are nice natural ones. These actually look really cool if you're into like that eyelash extension kind of look. Then we've got some from Diva. These are like outer corner lashes. And then we've got some from Elf as well, some natural ones. We've also got an OXX makeup blender, so of course I had to include a sponge in there. This is what I apply my makeup with all the time. And then we have a really exciting product. This is the Revlon Photo Ready Instant Cheek Maker. Like, look at this shape. And it kind of shows you there how it works. Like, it puts on the highlight and the blush at the same time, and then you just blend it in. Then we've got some testers from Mecca Maxima. So this is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer and Radiant Longwear Foundation testers. And you can actually get like a whole wear out of those. This is the Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Mousse. And this is in the shade Rocky Plum, and I absolutely love these. Look how cool that colour is. So cool for winter. And then the last thing we have is another Mask On Face of Beauty Collagen Sheet Mask. So yay, that is so cool. So I hope you guys liked everything in my 50k subscriber giveaway. This is so heavy when I put them in bags, and I know you guys are going to love everything. So remember to follow all those rules, and remember you can go and enter on Instagram as well for bonus entries, you could say, because I'll be checking on there. If you want to see more giveaways, then give this video a thumbs up and it will let me know that I should film more for you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you in my next week's video. Bye.